Okay, so today I'm going to show you how you can make a graph of a data set that you have using a really easy to use online tool. So I have a data set here that I want to graph. It's time with money. So I have time here and I have some units for time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I have different values of money that are associated with each of those times. So when the time is 10, the money's at 300. When the time is 5, the money's at 100. So what I want to do now is I want to create a graph that represents that data. So you're going to go to this website here, which I will provide you a link for. It's onlinecharttool.com/graph. So once you're at this website, this section here lets you pick what type of graph you want to make. You can make bar graphs, line graphs, different types. We're going to be mostly making X, Y graphs. So that's where you specify the X coordinate along with the Y coordinate, which is what we have here, right? Pretty much what's on the left side is always your X coordinate, and what's on the right-hand side is your Y coordinate. So time is X, money is Y. So again, I selected X, Y. I'm not going to touch anything here, so I'm just going to hit next. Now, this page here, I can give my graph a title, so I can just say it's called time versus money. The x-axis, remember, was time. The y-axis was money. So I'm just going to label those. So time goes here, money goes here. Now, last thing I need to change is this here items. That just tells you how many points you want to plot. I have 10 points, so I'm going to put number 10. Now, if you want to mess around with this stuff as you get more comfortable with it, you can, but I'm going to leave this all blank. So the next thing I need to do is right here, it says point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the points that I'm going to enter. And you can see each one has an X value and a Y value. So my X value, first one is 1. My second Y value is 10. So when X is 1, I have a Y value of 10. When X is 2, I have a Y value of 20. When X is 3, I have a Y value of 40. So you're just going to take your time, go one by one, enter these points in, try to make sure you're not making any mistakes along the way. So I see 470 and then 5100. So 470, 5100. Now you might be thinking that this is a little bit tedious, but trust me, it's a lot faster than if we had to sit down and graph this stuff by hand. So the next one was 6, 125, 7, 170, right? We're almost done. 8, 250, 9, 210, 8, and I can also hit tab to go down. 9, 210, and I believe my last point was 10, 300, but I'll double check that. Yes. So all I need to do now is hit next. And this here is like changing fonts. I'm going to skip that. And here we go. That's my graph. See, it's got a title up top, money, time. I've got points and a line, right? So really easy. Now what I can do is I'm going to right click, or if you're on a Mac, double tap, copy image. I'm going to go back over here and I have a little table down here. I'm going to paste that picture right into my document. So that's my graph, right? So this here is going to be a really easy way, and we're going to have to graph a lot this unit. So as we go through the unit, you're going to start to get more and more comfortable with it. And just trust me, it's going to be a whole lot easier than having to graph on paper.